right? So the generator matrix G equals to IKP. So P is the submatrix, and when you look at the submatrix P, P11, I want to read out the rows here: P11, P12 up to so on, P1 n minus k, P21, P22 up to so on, P2 n minus k, Pk1, K2 up to so on, Pk n minus k, right? And finally, you will get the check bits as C1 equal to M1 P11 XR M2 P21 XR up to so on MK PK1, and C2 equal to M1 P12 XR M2 P22 XR M3 P32 up to so on MK PK2, and finally C n minus k equal to M1 P1 n minus 1 for n minus k, M2 P2 n minus k, M3 P3 n minus k up to so on MK PK n minus k. Is it okay? In the last class also, I told that in order to draw the encoder circuit, check bit equations are required. In the last class, I think C1 equal to M1 plus M2 plus M4 and M2 plus M3 plus M4 like that. Here plus nothing but XR. Is it okay? That is for 7,4 black code. Suppose if there is no generator matrix, it is a n comma k black code. For n comma k black code, we know that the general representation for the submatrix P is equal to something, and based on these check bits, you have to draw the encoder circuit for a systematic n comma k code. Now look at this. How many number of message bits for n comma k code? Please respond. How many number of message bits for n comma k code?
K message.
K message bits. That's why M1, M2, M3 up to so on MK. And here most important thing is, actually 3 days back I observed on textbook, standard textbook. In the textbook, they want to consider the message bit starting from 0, M0, M0, M1, M2, M3 up to so on MK minus 1. Don't confuse, okay? Don't think that every time the message bit is only starting from M1 only. They want to start from M0. So if you start M0, total message bits are K. That means we can write 0 to K minus 1. Following or not? Suppose 4 message bits, we can write 1 to 4 or you can write 0 to 3. So here 0 to K minus 1 or 1 to K. You can take either M0, M1, M2, M3 up to so on MK minus 1, or you can take M1, M2, M3 up to so on MK. Next, coming to check bits. How many number of check bits? Q number of check bits. N minus K number of check bits. So you can write C1, C2, C3 up to so on Cn minus K. Or you can take C0, C1, C2 up to so on Cn minus K minus 1. So here message bits are M1 to MK, check bits are C1 to Cn minus K. Now what is the equation for C1? C1 equation is M1 P11. See here M1 P11 XR M2 P21 XR M3 P31 XR up to so on MK PK1 XR. So total all are XR operation together and finally gives the C1. So this is the check bit 1. Is it clear? Similarly, coming to C2, C2 equal to M1 P12 XR M2 P22 XR up to so on MK PK2. So XR that gives to C2. And similarly Cn minus K or CQ M1 P1 n minus K M2 P2 n minus K M up to so on MK PK n minus K. XR operation, it gives the Cn minus K. Now clear about this encoding circuit for linear systematic n comma k code. Don't think that every time the question is only for 7,4, 8,4, 15,7 like that. Sometimes directly you have to draw the encoding circuit for linear systematic n comma k block code. That's why in the earlier classes I told that the matrix description is very, very important. From that only you have to write all these things. Clear about this? Are any doubts?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Clear, sir.
Okay. Now coming to syndrome diagram also. Coming to syndrome. See here. Syndrome for linear systematic n comma k code. Syndrome for linear systematic n comma k code. Now your point is, how can you draw the syndrome circuit? Now we know that S is equal to, what is the formula?
R into H transpose.
Here in the previous one, in the previous circuit, I showed that the starting from M1, M2, that is 1, 2, 3, and so on. And in this example, I want to show from 0 onwards. That is M0, M1, M2, M3, like that. What happened? No. Not opening. So look at the problem here. They mentioned the problem. I mentioned the problem also. But before problem, first you have to know how to draw the syndrome. How to draw the syndrome circuit. So actually, I told that representation is S is equal to some Y into H transpose. Y nothing but received code word, or R into H transpose. R also received code word. Right? The syndrome S is equal to, suppose R into H transpose. Here R nothing but received code vector. That's why I told that don't fix the variable for, don't fix the letter for received code word. It may be anything. Definitely they mention, suppose if Y into H transpose, Y is the received code word. R into H transpose, R is the received code word, either capital or small or whatever it. Okay. Now I want to take the syndrome matrix as, we know that what is the size of syndrome matrix? Yes, can anyone? What is the size of syndrome matrix?
1 by n minus k.
1 by n minus k.
1 by
Right.
n minus k.
Syndrome vector, not the syndrome matrix here. Syndrome vector. Syndrome vector is the 1 by n minus k. Right. So 1 by n minus k. So I want to write the elements in the syndrome matrix. So S is equal to, you can write S1, S2, S3 up to so on S n minus k. Is it okay? Or you can also write, S is equal to, if you want to start from 0, so S0, S1, S2, S3 up to so on S n minus k minus 1. Is it okay? You can start from 0 or you can start from 1. No problem. Depends upon the question actually. But here, why I am starting from 0 means, when you look at the problem, see, they mentioned that let R equal to R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. Please look into question. Consider the 7,4 linear code whose parity check matrix is given below. Let R equal to R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. Actual length of the received code vector is 7. So up to now our consideration is from 1 to 7, but in the problem they mentioned that 0 to 6. That's why I want to write the message bit starting from 0. Syndrome matrix, syndrome vector also starting from 0, and submatrices all or everything I want to start from 0, because in the problem they mentioned that R equal to R0 starting from 0. Is it okay? Now S is equal to R into H transpose. Now we know that h equal to, what is the representation? I n minus k p transpose. Is it okay? Any doubts here?
No, sir.
And I explained one thing, that is when you go for the systematic code, I told that the first part is message bit, next part is check bits. And I also explained that don't fix this. Sometimes you will find the check bits are starting part of the code word and message bits are ending part of the code word. Do you remember that? I already explained that. So code word nothing but when you go for the systematic code word, a systematic code, first message bits, next check bits. But you can also write as first check bits, next message bits. Don't confuse. Okay. Now here the systematic format for the parity check matrix in minus k p transpose. Now in minus k, n minus k by n minus k identity matrix and p transpose. Now look at the screen here. Wait. I want to show you. See here. This is in minus k, n minus k by n minus k identity matrix and p transpose. Now see here, I want to start from 0, p0 0 p1 0 up to so on pk minus 1 0. Or you can write as p1 0, sorry, p11 p21. Listen carefully. p11 p21 p31 p41 up to so on pk1. Once again, I am repeating. You can also write as p11 p21 up to so on pk1. You can write like that also. Similarly here also p12 p22 up to so on pk2. But here I want to consider the bits from starting from 0, the index starting from 0. That's why p00 p10 up to so on pk minus 1 0. So pk minus 1 1 up to so on pk minus 1 n minus k minus 1. Yes, please respond. All of you following or not? Don't
Yes, sir.
confuse, okay?
Sir.
Here I want to start from 0. So 0 to k minus 1, 0 to n minus k minus 1. Now I want to multiply received code vector and this one. So received code vector also R0, R1, R2 up to so on. What about the received code vector? Any cases? So R equal to, okay, for the given problem R0 to R6, when you go for the n comma k block code, the received code vector is R0, R1, R2, R3 to so on
Rn minus k minus
up to so on R. Yes, can anyone respond? Received code word R0,
Rn
Rn minus k minus 1.
Okay, Rn minus k minus 1. Right, Rn minus k
N
minus 1
minus
nothing
1,
but
sir.
right, it is n minus 1, not the n minus k minus 1. What is the length of the received code word? Is it n or n minus k?
N.
See, look at, listen. When you go for the 7,4 black code, the received code word length is 7 only, not the 3. That means received code word length is n only, not the n minus k. So 0 to n minus 1. Okay. Or you can write as like R1, R2, R3, R4 up to so on Rn. Oh, who's the, what happened? Meeting is going to end. Hello?
Sir.
మీటింగ్ కంటిన్యూ అవుతుందా? ఎన్ని అని చెప్పి వచ్చింది?
వచ్చింది సార్.
ఎంత ఉందమ్మా? అన్లిమిటెడా?
కొంచెం సేపట్లో కట్ అవుతుంది అని వచ్చింది సార్. అంతే.
ఫస్ట్ మీటింగ్ సార్ కానీ కట్ అవుతుంది అని వస్తుంది సార్.
Okay, sir. చూద్దాం, no problem. See, R equal to R0, R1, R2, R3 up to so on Rn minus 1. Okay. Now I want to multiply these two, that is H transpose and R. Once again I am repeating, R nothing but R0, R1, R2, R3 up to so on Rn minus 1. Now not the, this is H actually, now you have to go for the H transpose. When you go for H transpose, just you have to reverse this. Now when you multiply that, you will get like this, R0 to Rn minus 1. But your doubt is why here n minus k plus 1, n minus k plus 2 up to so on n minus 1. Is there any doubt here? Look at this equation. It's not equal to, do one thing. So this is H matrix actually. Now transpose this first. Transpose this. So after transposing, just multiply with the received code vector. Here the received code vector is R equal to R0, R1, R2 up to so on Rn minus 1. So received code vector R0, R1, R2 up to so on Rn minus 1. Just multiply with the H transpose. Just look at the equations. You already same equations or not? But only one. Any doubts here? R0, Rn minus k. Any doubts here?
సార్ అక్కడ Rn minus k ఎలా వచ్చింది సార్?
See here. So what is the size? What is the size of this matrix?
n comma k.
N comma k, right? This one. Identity matrix. Okay. So here, what I want to say is just okay, no problem. Just I want to give an example. Then you will get the clarity. Suppose here when you go for the H matrix, suppose I want to go for 7,4 black code. When you go for the 7,4 black code, what is the size of H matrix?
3.
Suppose 1 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 2 1. Right. Suppose this is H matrix for 7,4 black code, right? First this one, this is a identity matrix. What is the size of identity matrix? N minus k. So when you go for the 7,4 black code, what is the n minus k value? 3. So 3 by 3 is the identity matrix.
Yes, sir.
Now here I want to go for the transpose of this matrix. When you go for the transpose, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 1, so 0 1 1 1 1 1 1 0 1. Right. Now I want to multiply received code vector with this parity check matrix. Now R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, because it is 7,4 black code. Now I want to multiply with R0 into 1. This one, R0 into 1 plus R1 into 0. Okay, here I want to write R0 into 1. So R0 plus R1 into 0, that is 0, plus R2 into 0, 0, plus next R3 into 1, R3 into 1. Okay, right. Now here my point is, so what is the size of this one? Size of identity matrix is n minus k. N minus k equal to 3. N minus k equal to 3. When you go for this identity matrix, first element is 1, remaining 2 elements are 0. Suppose if you go for 8,4 black code, when you go for identity matrix as 4 by 4 matrix. 4 by 4 matrix nothing but again 1, here 0, here 0, here 0. So here what I want to say is n minus k equal to 3. R0 into 1, that is R0. R1 into 0, R2 into 0, R3. So that is Rn minus k. Rn minus k into the starting element of the submatrix. Is it clear now? R3
Yes, sir.
into 1 here. That is R3 here. 3 nothing but n minus k value. So Rn minus k after the total. This is the first 3 rows are the identity matrix. Now the submatrix starts from R3. Here 3 nothing but n minus k. So the submatrix starts from n minus k. That's why here the submatrix is P00. That P00 starts from n minus k. Is it okay? Now this is R3. What is the next one? R4. R4 nothing but n minus k plus 1. Next R5 n minus k plus 2. R6 n minus k plus 3 and up to so on. Now see finally, suppose this is n minus k and this is n minus k plus 1, n minus k plus 2, and finally don't say that this is n minus k plus 3, because what is this one actually? Last one. So what are the total number of bits here? R0 to R6 you have to get. R0 to R6. So this is 7, 4 black code. N equal to 7. That means 7 minus 1. No. See here, R0, R1, R2, R3, up to so on Rn minus 1. We know about the first one, R0. We know about the last one, Rn minus 1. So last bit is Rn minus 1. That's why here I written as n minus 1. Now clear about this? Why here n minus k plus 1 up to n minus k plus 2, n minus k plus 3, n minus k plus 4 up to so on. But the last one is Rn minus 1. And yet the last one is Pk minus 1, 0. Clear about this?
Yes, sir.
All of it. Doubt. You must be clear on this. Similarly, coming to second one, R1. Why R1 here? Why R1 here? Because when you go for the second one, right. So when you go for the second one, R not equal to 0. Only R1 is present. R not equal to 0. R1 is present. When you go for third one, R2 is present. When you go for fourth one, R4. Fifth one, R5. Sixth one, R6, and up to so on. That's why here. So finally, Rn minus k minus 1. Why here n minus k minus 1 final bit is? Because identity matrix is n minus k matrix. N minus k by n minus k matrix. So I want to start from 0. That's why n minus k minus 1. Suppose if you want to start with 1 here, R1. So finally you have to write n minus k. But here I started with R0. That's why Rn minus k minus 1. And these are same, n minus k plus 1 up to so on, n minus 1. And finally these are also Pk minus 1, k minus 1, k minus 1, k minus 1, n minus k minus 1. So Pk minus 1, n minus k minus 1. Clear about these equations? All of you?
Yes,
Is that
sir.
fun? What about the remaining people? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right.
Sir.
Okay, you can respond in chat box also, no problem. Or any doubts also, please respond in chat box. Okay, right. This is the syndrome matrix, syndrome equations. Now I want to draw the syndrome circuit diagram. Syndrome for a linear systematic n comma k block code. When you want to draw the encoder diagram, message bits are important here, right? Because when you go for the check bits, C1 equal to M1 into something, M2 into something, M3 into something. So message bits are important. But when you go for the syndrome decoding purpose, in the decoding, the input is received code word. For the encoding, the input is message bits. Okay. For encoding, the inputs are message bits, and for decoding, the inputs are received bits. So received code word is nothing but R0, R1, R2, up to so on, Rn minus 1. Next syndrome, S0. And for the encoder, the output is code word. And when you go for the syndrome decoding, the output is syndrome words, syndrome code words. That's why S0, S1, up to so on, Sn minus k minus 1. Because I want to start from 0. Now S0 equal to what is the equation? R0, Rn minus k P00, Rn minus k minus 1 P10, up to so on, Rn minus 1 Pk minus 1 0. Please don't buy the equations. Don't buy the equations. Just remember the matrix representation. From that you have to write the equations. Here plus nothing but XR. That is very, very important. Remember that. Plus nothing but XR. Please don't buy at all these things. No need to buy at this. Easy. All are very easy. Is it true or not? Easy unnaya leva. Just you have to remember the matrix representation and go for the multiplication. Just write the equations. From the equations, you have to draw the circuit diagram. So look at the second equation. What is the second equation? S1 equal to. I think here R1, right? Please change that. Here R1. Please change this. There is some mistakes actually. R0. All of you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, please change this. Here R0, Rn minus k. I think this is Rn minus k plus 1. Rn minus k plus 1 P10. Please change in your notebooks. This is Rn minus k plus 1. Here also I want to change all those things. Rn minus k plus 1 up to so on Rn minus 1. Next, first bit is R1. R1, Rn minus k plus 1, and finally Rn minus 1. And last one is Rn minus k minus 1. Following or not? Here R0, Rn minus k plus 1 up to so on Rn minus 1. Here again this is R1. Here R1, Rn minus k plus 1, Rn minus 1. Again here Rn minus k minus 1, Rn minus k plus 1, Rn minus 1. Please try to draw the circuit diagram for the equations. All of you following or not? Please change. Please change here R0. Once again I am repeating R0, Rn minus k, P00, Rn minus k plus 1, P10 up to so on Rn minus 1, Pk minus 1, 0. Here again R1, this is R1. R1, Rn minus k, P01, Rn minus k plus 1, P11 up to so on Rn minus 1, Pk minus 1, 1. And this is Rn minus k minus 1, Rn minus k, P0, n minus k minus 1, Rn minus k minus 1, P1 n minus k minus 1 plus up to so on Rn minus 1, Pk minus 1, n minus k minus 1. Please change here. This is plus 1. This is n minus k minus 1. Here also plus 1. Okay. Please change. Now clear about this. Finally S0, S1 up to so on Sn minus k minus 1. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
All of you clear about this? All of you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the syndrome for a linear systematic n comma k code. N comma k code. Now I want to go for example for 7 comma 4 linear code. For 7 comma 4 linear code. Now this is the example. Look at this problem. Consider the 7 comma 4 linear code whose parity check matrix is given below. And received vector is R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. And don't think that every time like this only. Sometimes they will mention the code word also, like 110011 like that. R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. See, they mention that is the received code vector. Then syndrome is given by S is equal to S0, S1, S2. Just you have to construct the diagram. So for that, what is the procedure? First, you have to write the syndrome equations. That is S0 equation, S1 equation, S2 equation. Now, see here. S is equal to R into H transpose. This is R, R0 to R6. This is H transpose. Now, matrix multiplication between these two. Now, we can write S0, S1. Again, this is S2, right? Please change this also, write S2 here. S0, S1, S2. Why all these are mistakes here? Once I want to check this. Okay, I think no problem in this black diagram. I have written mistake. Change that. I think all are changed, right? See, look at this. R1, Rn minus k plus 1, Rn minus 1 like that only. And similarly here S0, S1, S2. Okay, right. Please change that. Here S2. Please don't look at this. Don't look at all these pages. Based on this equation, first to draw the syndrome circuit in your notebooks by your own. After that, you can check. S0, S1, S2. S0 equal to R0 into 1, R3, R5, R6, R1, 2, 3, 4, 5, R2, R4, R5, R6. See, finally, this is the diagram. Syndrome for the 7,4 code given in above example. So, received code vector R0 to R6. So, S0 equal to, please don't draw the lines like me only. That is your wish. Your wish. Finally, my requirement is S0 equal to R0 XR, R3 XR, R5 XR, R6. S1 equal to R1 XR, R3 XR, R4 XR, R5. S3 equal to R2 XR, R4 XR, R5 XR, R6. Right? Please complete it. And those who are completed, please switch on your video. Please show me. Anusha. There is a diagram. Copying same, huh? Anusha. Same copy chesara. Okay. Anyway, is it okay, all of you? Is it clear about this? How to draw the syndrome circuit for n, k code, 7,4 code? And here I want to give another example. Take the same H parity check matrix. Take the same parity check matrix. I want to give one code word here. So the code word is Do one thing. I want to give the H pattern matrix. H is equal to parametric matrix as don't confuse. Up to last class, I told that the format is P transpose into I n minus K. But I am writing as I n minus K P transpose. Both are true. Don't confuse. So this is the parametric matrix. And I want to give the received code vector as received code vector equal to 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. This is the received code vector. So first find is the received code vector is correct, is the received code vector correct or not. Find is the received code vector, find the received code vector is having any errors or not. After that, draw the syndrome circuit. Do this, do it fast. Please show me. So received code vector is 1 1 1 0 1 1 0 0. First find the received code vector is having any errors or not. Is there any error? You have to correct that error. After that, draw the syndrome circuit. Is it what is first? Tell me what is the size of this block code? Is it 6, 3, 7, 4 or 8, 4?
8,4.
So it is a 8, 4 block code, right? So 8, 4 block code. How many number of syndromes?
4 number of syndromes.
4 syndromes, right? S naught.
Yes, sir.
You can suppose if you want to take R naught, R1 like that, then S naught, S1, S2, S3 are the syndromes. First, do it fast. S is equal to R into H transpose. First, you have to identify is there any error or not. Do it fast. See, these are the examples are available in standard textbook. So, do you want this PDF? I will send it. No problem. Try to complete each and every problem, every example available in standard textbook. This is the next topic actually. Completed? Is there any error? Is there any error? Do it fast. Meanwhile, if you have any doubts, please ask me. So here point is, actually, when you look at the example 8,4 black code, what is the H matrix format there? P transpose I n minus k. Is it okay? Listen carefully. P transpose I n minus k. But here I mentioned that H matrix H is I n minus k P transpose. That means in previous case what happened is, first message bits followed by check bits. First message bits followed by check bits. But when you go for the H parity check matrix, first identity matrix, next sub matrix. Now you have to go for the check bits first,
సార్
next message bits.
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ కట్ అవుతుంది
సార్ వాయిస్ బ్రేక్ అవుతుంది సార్.
Okay, now okay na?
సార్ మీ వాయిస్ కట్ అవుతుంది.
Now is it okay?
ఓకే సార్.
See, in previous case, H is equal to first sub matrix, next identity matrix. That's why the code word format is message bits and check bits. But now what happens? The parity check matrix is first identity matrix, next sub matrix. That's why the code word representation is first check bits, next message bits. Clear about this? See, in the first example, I told that R equal to 11101100. That means please go through the 1110 message bit. I think 15:1. Please open the table. 8,4 black code vectors. Please open that. In that 1110, when you go for the 1110, what are the check bits? 0100 are the check bits. 0100 are the check bits. Is it true or not? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 1110 is the message bit. 0100 are the check bits. Now here actually I have given the received code vector R equal to 11101100. That means error in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th bit actually. Error in the 5th bit. But your answer is error in the 6th bit. Is it okay? Your answer is error in the 6th bit. So here what I want to say is, when you go for the format H is equal to identity matrix and sub matrix, you have to take the received code vector as first check bits, next message bits. Now again go for the same message bit combination 1110. What are the check bits? 0100. But here I want to write the first check bits. So 0100 are the check bits, but I want to give some wrong code word here. In place of 0, I have given 1 here. So 1100. And what is the message bit? 1110. Now where is the error now? There is error in the first bit. Is it okay? Error in the first bit. Error in the first bit nothing but, what is the correct code word? 0100 1110. Now look at the table. What is the message bit here? 1110 is the message bit, not the 0100. 1110 is the message bit. For 1110 message bit, what are the check bits? 0100 are the check bits. Is it okay? Now that is available in your list actually. But here first check bits, next message bits. So 0100 check bits, 1110 message bits. Now clear about this, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me,
Yes,
Malika,
sir.
is it available or not in your list?
Yes, sir. Available.
Right. This is very, very important. Don't confuse. Depends upon the format. Don't fix the format here. Don't fix that only P into I transpose. Sometimes P transpose into I. Sometimes H is equal to I transpose I into P transpose. Because so many times these type of problems are available in your examination. Don't confuse. If you follow only one type, this is the problem. Okay. Actually, before that, before you told that no sir, this code word is not available in your list. But now tell me, is it available or not? This is available in your list. So message bits are 1110, check bits are 0100. Right? Suppose the same matrix. Do one thing. The same parity check matrix. First to write submatrix. First write submatrix. That is meaning of that is the submatrix is okay. Here I want to give the parity check matrix once again. H is equal to 1101 1000 1110 0100 1011 0010 0111 0001. Right? Now take the received code word R is equal to 1110. Now first message bits, next 1100. Now do this. Now R into H transfer. Definitely you will have the error in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th bit position. Now do this. Please do this fast. Malika, do this fast. H is equal to this one. Now take the received code vector is 1110 1100. Now S is equal to R into H transpose. Now tell me the correct code vector. Now here my format is first submatrix, next identity matrix. That means you have to write first message bits, next check bits. First message bits, next check bits. Where is the error? Error in?
Fifth bit.
Okay, error in the fifth bit. Now correct code word is 1110 0100. So 1110 0100. Right? Now check it. Both are same or not? Now what happens here? In this case, first message bits 1110 message bit 0100 check bits. In this case, first check bits 0100 1110 is the message bit. Both are same or not? Yes. Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now clear about this? So this is very important. You have to remember that depends upon the type here. H is equal to either P transpose I or I P transpose. First message bits or check bits. That's why I told that don't buy hard the topics. Don't buy hard the concept. Always try to learn concept. That is very important. Okay, now coming to question. What is the question here? You have to draw the syndrome circuit. Please draw the syndrome circuit. Please draw the syndrome circuit. Please draw the syndrome circuit. How many received code words here? 7, right? Sorry, 8, 4 black code. 8. You can take the boxes like this, or you can take like this also. Suppose so this is one box. Another like this. You can take like this or like this. That is your wish. That is your wish. You can take like this or like this. You can take like this. This is important. This is better, I think. Okay. Now tell me the syndrome matrices, syndrome vectors. Yes, not. Yes, not equal. What is the equation? Yes, can anyone respond?
R1, R2,
R1, R2,
R4, R5,
R1, R2, R4, R5. Already received code vector is available, right? So here my requirement is so I want the answer from you is actually whenever they mention the received code word, how can you draw the circuit? Is it possible? Actually syndrome equal to 0, 1, 0. S is equal to 0, 1, 0. How can you draw that? Is my question is clear? Syndrome equal to 0, 1, 0. How can you draw that? Right? That's why in a problem see here. That's why in this problem they mentioned that received code word is R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. For example, if they mention the bits here, whenever they mention the bits, suppose R0 equal to something, R1 equal to something, for example here, R0, R3, R5, R6, 0 XOR 1 XOR 1 XOR 0, for example. Suppose answer equal to 1, S0 equal to 1, S0 equal to 1. How can you draw the circuit? S1 equal to 0. How can you draw that? S3 equal to 1. How can you draw that? That's why in this problem they didn't mention the bits here. They mention only R0, R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6. But parity check matrix is needed. If parity check matrix needed is available, then the circuit diagram is like this. If parity check matrix is not available, then the syndrome circuit is like this. Clear about this? Similar to encoder. When you go for the encoder, generator matrix is available. No need to mention the submatrix in the diagram. Suppose generator matrix is not available. Whenever generator matrix is not available, this is the diagram. If generator matrix is available, now the diagram is already I told you 7,4 black code. Generator matrix is available, that is the diagram. Generator matrix is not available, then you have to take the general format for the generator matrix. General format. Now with the submatrix, this is the circuit diagram. Similarly, when you go for the syndrome also, if parity check matrix is not available, then you have to take the general format in terms of identity matrix and submatrix. Suppose like this. At that time, this is the syndrome circuit. If they mention the parity check matrix, like this, at that time the circuit is like this. Now clear about this, all of you? Any doubts? How to draw the encoder for 7,4 black code or 8,4 black code and n,k black code, and how to draw the syndrome? How to draw the syndrome for n,k black code, 7,5 black code, 8,4 black code? All of you clear about this? Are any doubts? Please respond. Please take one more problem. A simple problem. So take this one. Consider 7, please note on this. Consider 7,4 black code whose parity check matrix is given in example 3.3. I will show the parity check matrix. First write the problem. Let V is the transmitted code word. I told that X. Don't confuse. I told that X is the transmitted code word, but here they want to take the letter as V. 1001011.
సార్ మీ స్క్రీన్ కనిపించట్లేదు.
కనిపించట్లేదా?
అవును సార్.
Now okay.
Okay, sir.
See,
Yes, sir.
see, consider no need to write again here. Consider 7,4 code whose parity check matrix is given in example 3.3. I will show that. Let V is the transmitted code vector. I told that X here V, and R is the received code word. Just you have to decode that. Just you have to find the. Actually, they mentioned that 1001011 is the transmitted and received is 1001001. Where is the error? Error in the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th bit position. Error in the 6th bit position. Now look at the parity check matrix. I think example 3.3. This one, same parity check matrix. This is the parity check matrix. 1001011 0101110 001 011. Now tell me one thing. Are you able to? Are you? Right. Now tell me, are you able to draw the encoder diagram? Please respond all. Are you able to draw the encoder diagram for any type of black code, either 6,3, 7,4, 8,4, 15,7, n, k? Are you able to draw the encoder diagram? All of you. Yes, what happened? Please respond. Okay. Next, are you able to find the syndrome? Are you in a position to find the syndrome from the given generator matrix or parity check matrix? Yes. Are you in a position to draw the syndrome diagram, either for 7,4, 8,4, n, k? Right? Okay. Right. That means syndrome diagram part is completed, encoder part is completed. How to generate the code words, that is also clear. How to generate the code words by the help of the formula C is equal to M into P. C is equal to M into P when you go for systematic code word. C is equal to M into G when you go for non-systematic code word. That is very, very important. Remember that. So C equal to MP. This is for systematic format, and X is equal directly you can write M into G. This is for non-systematic format. X is equal to M into G. So M is the message vector and G is the direct generator matrix. Actually, definitely I will give you one example for non-systematic also. No problem. But this is the format X is equal to M into G. You can directly multiply message matrix with the generator matrix. You will get the answer. Clear about all these things about this encoding, syndrome, decoding, generation of code words. Whenever they mention the generator matrix, how to get the parity check matrix, and whenever they whenever they mention the check bit equations, from that how to find the generator matrix, how to find the parity check matrix, how to find the number of errors. Look at those. Look at all those problems. Please ask me doubts. Because in this linear black code, I want to stop the how to generate syndromes and how to generate code words. With this class, I want to stop the problems on how to generate the code words, how to get the syndrome, how to draw the encoder, and how to draw the syndrome. I want to stop all those topics. That's why I'm asking repeatedly. Please ask me any doubts if you have. Right? Okay. No doubts. No one is talking means no doubts. Everything is clear. All are masters. Right? All are masters in generating code words and getting syndromes. How to convert from generator to paradigmatic matrix, paradigmatic matrix to generator matrix. How to write the code words in systematic form, non-systematic form. Well, just I want to stop the recording.